Haka jan miet jangka khatwai tarik risau haka por kumba nyo baje men miet lala yo jing tip bagi don ki brio ki bawan bu ya ka wei ka playong bala suba bala bandai ubom haplau building jang ki riu shimat ka badon habanta jangka yo Umsning Ribhoi district kani ka jingwan bu ki brio ya kani ka pla kala penher Syrngiew ya ki Paidbah khamtam ki tu ki yeng ki badon marjan berkatai ka building Khubor pulit ka Ribhoi marsinyo jing tip halor kani kila shim khia mardor ban pentip ya ki bomb squad na Shillong berkum juru ya ki wei ki pulit hakaba kila poi mardor hakate ka jaka naga benta bentokit halor kani ka jinglap ya kani ka playong haka jing tokit ka pala shimbun por ki bomb squad ki lap bagite ki bom IED mana kaliang ki bomb squad kila le ka badon kam ban pelip no ekite ki bom khnang ba kanum don kanu ka jingja pas ngosi habakran shakilat pathai Khubor USP ka Ribhoi UVS rathor ulaong bagite ki bom ki bala wanbu hakite ki jaka kidei ki bom IED ulai thuru bana kaliang ki bor pulit kila yok sai shaphang kini ki breu ki badon khti hakate ka kam hakapa shen na kaliang ki pulit kin sakem ki breu ki badon khti
busy.
At 30 p.m. we got an information that there is an abandoned bag lying in one of the buildings in the Umsning market. So based on that information, we immediately rushed the team. The bomb disposal squad came from Shillong. The K9 squad also came. And after taking all the precautions as per SOP, we found out that there was an IED, most probably using gelatin as explosives and electric detonators. So it was diffused successfully by our BDDS team, and we have seized all the materials, and investigation is going on. We have a suspect. We are trying to arrest him as quickly as possible.
So right now, sir, which means no arrests have been made so far.
Not yet, but it is highly likely that we'll pick him tonight.
Sir, since as we can hear that this is a house of one of the well-known in Umsning area and Ribhoi district also.
Yes.
So, according to your is there any suspects or something, sir?
Of course.
Why this proposal has been?
It's too early to comment upon that. What was the motive behind doing all this? But we have a suspect. We're trying to pick him up. It can happen anytime soon. So we are on it.